Château Beychevelle and its iconic sailboat. This left bank winery is a fourth growth chateau located in Saint-Julien within Médoc. While the chateau has transferred ownership many times over the centuries, its history, name, and sailboat emblem go back to the 17th century when the property was owned by the Duke of Épernon. The name Beychevelle indirectly translates to lower your sails, and is so named because as the boats passed in front of the estate, they would lower their sails in allegiance and respect to the Duke. Today, it is owned by a group that includes the large international food and beverage company Suntory out of Japan. This famous French chateau has been referred to by some as the Versailles of Bordeaux. While I wouldn't quite go that far, the chateau and the grounds are beautiful, and apparently the chateau can be rented out. This new and modern winemaking facility is definitely set up to welcome and entertain outside visitors more than any other we visited. This tasting experience starts with the theatrical presentation covering the history of the property, and then it includes a tour of the new facility and ends with the tasting of the wines of Beychevelle. Near the entrance to the chateau in the middle of the main courtyard is a huge cedar tree that has been standing proudly at Beychevelle for more than 200 years. One quick fun fact for all classified gross is that you can always tell the primary wine produced by the chateau, which is called the Grand Vin, because it is the one that includes chateau in the name on the label. It is customary for most chateaus in Bordeaux to also produce a second label wine. These second label wines are wines produced by the winery that includes juice that didn't quite make the cut to be included in the primary wine. The juice used for second label wines can come from any number of sources, including grapes from younger vines or parts of the vineyard not quite up to par for the primary wine. Sometimes second label wines from these famous chateaus are an excellent way to get quality wine at a much more affordable price. But as I said, these wines are easily identified because the word chateau isn't in the name on the label like it is for the primary Grand Vin. Cheers, everybody.